Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use OpenAI with Zapier. So to use OpenAI with Zapier, just log into your openai.com. So just go to OpenAI and then you'll just have to go to API. From there, you will see this board right here. Just go to your settings and here in the left corner, just locate your API keys. So here, all you have to do is create a new secret key and we'll name it Zapier right here. So create a new secret key right here after you name it and then copy its key. We head to our dashboard in Zapier. So once you have logged in, all you have to do is locate apps in the left side of your screen again. So once you go to apps right here, you just have to add connections and search OpenAI. So once you have searched OpenAI, connect it right here. It'll redirect you to another page to connect with OpenAI. And then here, just paste the API key and then just continue. So there you go guys, that is how you connect your Zapier with OpenAI, and now you can integrate OpenAI's ChatGPT with Zapier and you're free to use it. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.